Ow! The fuck? Holy shit, my senses are god awful. Oh, much better, thank god. So dark, do I have a fucking— oh my god! That was bright. Okay, I had night vision. Slay, okay. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Oh! Oh! What? What just happened? What? Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's a door. Oh, it's mad dark in here. Oh, we got a dog. Okay. Hang on, buddy. We're coming. Hey! Oh my god, you're so cute! Something's gotten her worked up. Hey, it looks like you're trying to keep the door closed. I'm not going out there. Fair. Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god, it's mad dark. What's going on? Where's our dog? I don't hear our dog anymore. Puppy! The door's open. I don't like that. Mad fucking dog. Where is my dog? Thank you for following. I really appreciate that. Alright, something fucked up our fence. Wait, what is that? Molly's collar. Our dog! Oh, what the fuck? Okay. It's just always my— I don't like that. Can I don't like this actually. Damn, it's mad wet in here. Uh-huh, that's what she said. Anyways, moving on. Oh, motherfucker! Huh? What is going on? Is that a church? Looks like it. Hello. Have you guys seen my dog Molly? I don't know where she is. She was at home and I fell asleep. And now I don't know where she is. What is going on? What is that? What is this? What the fuck is that? Oh, I just pulled a fucking lever. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, let me just fucking do that real quick. Let me just go down this fucking creepy ass stairway that I just magically opened. That's mad loud. You know what? Fuck it. I gotta find my dog Molly. Molly! Did you use opposable thumbs to come down here? What the fuck is this? I can see perfectly fine from out here, but let me just walk into the cage. Is that— wait. Why does it look like a dog? fuck is going on? Okay, we should probably get out of here. Oh no, it's mad dark in here. Oh, that's so fucked up. You're wrong for that. I think you ate my dog. Oh, stop, 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 stop. No. What's that? Getting that sloppy toppy from Monster. Let's go, baby. No bodies were ever found. Police discovered camcorder. Oh god, camcorder footage on. Ooh. Dude, what month is that? I can't read that fast.